Welcome to the all gathering and the parents and all who are watching on this one, the small interaction session with the parents. And I want to introduce here a very legendary and very outstanding coach of cricket, Mr. Uttam Majumdar, and his name is a fame. Without taking much time, I want to say that what is your experience in Kasauli International Public School that you nurtured these all the students who are really the beginners, and it was a parachute dropping cricket event for them, and it's really a prize to the students. And I want to get your compliments. I want to get here that what's your experience in Kasauli International Public School, which you halted here for 2 days.
Thank you, sir, that for nice gesture that no, for me that no, Mr. Hira Thakur, that Mr. MD for the Kaushalya International School, and due the respect of our principal, sir, that you really honored to be in participate with you that no for these all the students with that. I'm so much happy to be here. And first of all, I just tell about that KIPS International School that no. This is the great things I'm talking about, that the education wise and all the teachers that they are giving me such a disciplined work that at the last 2 days I interact with them, and they are really giving the great gesture. And first of all, I'll just tell you about that the sports, and in here in these schools the sports are doing a great job. All the teacher, all the physical teacher, they are doing that for the basketball, they are doing for that volleyball and other sports. And I'm here right now for that's all the junior cricketers, they are doing for cricket. I hope that one day they will play for us somewhere if they're training hard and doing well, and one day they will play. Lots of talents I've seen, and one day they will play for some national, and somewhere that play for a IPL, and it's all about that. I'm talking about that food in this hostel, and that is the gym, and I'm so much relish, and this is a fantastic, and the education and all the teachers, and they are mentoring their students, nurturing, and that is a fantastic. They are doing a great job, sir. Yeah.
Wonderful. During the course of interaction with the students, how do you want cultivate the talent among the students, because they are the beginner, it's a raw material for you, and how do you find it difficult to cultivate and to just to motivate to the students, and what do you feel the parameters for the motivation to the students?
Yeah, the last 2 days they are spent with me, and I seen that the talents they have, but need to be more in motivate them. If I'll be continue myself, and they will be interact with me and very well to understand this game. And I hope that very much sure that no, it's need to be more in the structural thing, that it's need to be some patience in the step by step, that no, because I first of all I just give them to the basic right. I cannot be right now not to be expect that no they're doing all the skill will be then will improve, but I'll first of all I'll just do give them more basic and more of fitness, and they have to be right, and automatically the skills will be improved there in the nets. Now that's I'm really working
Right.
for the last 2 days. I seen that the talents they have on the juniors and the seniors also, and let's do that. I hope that in near future we'll do some more events. We're going to participate. These boys, I hope that within 6 months they'll play for someone around, become a play like a pro. This is my gut feeling, but these boys are really happy, my under my coaching, and they're really liking it.
Mr. Majumdar, you yourself a good cricketer, and you are a coach of a legendary batsman, blaster batsman, Ishan Kishan. So what was your experience to be a coach of him, Ishan Kishan? And what do you find the Ishan Kishan in our Kasauli International Public
Oh
School?
yes, that is the great question, sir. Because I'm expecting that no, I'm here and to be find something the raw talent in like Ishan, because this is the journey with Ishan the last 17 years. Once I found him that no, at the age of 5 years, during his came, we are playing that time in a Ranji Trophy, and that time he just dad is came and to be bring his boy, and that time he was very small, and that time I noticed him that no how talent he is the raw, and he just I noticed him that no, he can be play for a one day play for his our service our country. That is we seen that no playing for a under 19 World Cup, and then we seen that no for the 5 years for a IPL team with the Rajasthan Gujarat Lions, and 3 years for Mumbai Indians. Now he got selected for Team India, and he succeeded, for T20 and one day the debut innings he got a half century. Now I'm expecting in here in the Kaushal International School that these boys are really eager to find. I'm getting they have some true heart, and if I'll be continue to
Just to interrupt in between,
Okay.
he struck the first ball, first six in his debut match.
Yeah.
So what you are having the immense pleasure that he was
it's-
a outstanding
it's
batsman.
Absolutely, and we have to be conversation, just after that match, and night, and we'll be discuss with the video calls that we've seen, and what do you have thoughts in mind that you playing a first ball in the sixer? He said to me that I had a no plan, but I'm getting a chances to go score, play in a first ball in the sixer, and that is making a history.
He told, I told, conveyed in the dressing room.
Absolutely. The same thing, and I thought that no, and I always told, I trained him, but you not to get any pressure. Whatever if you feel that in the first ball you playing now facing, and you have a radar in the ball, and you can get a shots, and that he have done the same thing, and he has some thought process. He made his own mind, and I never to be pressurized that you do these and do that, but he never tried, and he's always be a just free in mind, and always try to be in a very natural way, and that he got a success.
Wonderful. Mr. Uttam ji, we are highly thankful on the invitation of Mr. Hira Thakur
Yes,
sir. You are in the
is
Valley of Gods, Himachal Pradesh. What you want to give the message to the public and the parents of the Kasauli International Public School?
Yeah, one thing I'll just tell you that he's Mr. Hira Thakur, that MD of Kasauli International School, and the principal said that such a nice, great human being. This is my experience. I'll just tell you that and these boys under of the great teacher, under of that mentoring, these boys are so disciplined. And I hope that I am welcoming that others people to be if they are going to be planning to be stay there, boys to be in the hostel as a boarding, that I'll come the Coastal International School, the first number, their choice, and they please send them their students, and here is then all the things is like education, like the discipline and everywhere, and the sports especially. And I hope that your boys will be more safe and the secure to be going to be their future.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you so
Thank you
much.
very much.
Thank you, sir.